Yo, what's up? It's J2O back for a weekly Forex forecast. I know it's been a while since I made a video. I'm finally back, but I start making my videos. So for this weekly Forex forecast, we're gonna start from September 19th to the 24th. So first thing we do is go to the forexfactor.com and look at the calendar. So we have Sunday, where it's just a lot of bank holidays. That's going to affect the JPY pair, where it's going to be slow because when the banks have a holiday, there's less volatility. But overall, Sunday, there's not that many news events. And then Monday, it's bank holiday, as well as just few folders. That's going to affect like the Euro and the Canadian pair is a federal election. It's all day. So there's going to be some volatility, high impact news. That's going to affect the market for Monday. So be careful trading the CAD. Tuesday, a lot of yellow folders, which is like low impact. So nothing too crazy. Usually Tuesday to Thursdays are decent days to trade in the market. Since Monday, the market tries to recover and fill stuff out. And then usually Tuesday and Thursday, the market moves a certain way. And Wednesday, we have FOMC. So 2 p.m. into a New York session. Be careful trading around this time. Usually for FOMC, there's like live volatility. So there's going to be some manipulation in the market. So be careful if you're holding trades. And then Thursday, a lot of news events, especially affecting the GBP pair. So that's during like ending of London going into New York session. So we a lot of volatility, as well as during London session, the CHF and the Euro, a lot of news events, high impact. So Thursday's a heavy day in the market. Use good risk management. And a Friday, you got the New York City Fed Chair Power speaks. Pretty volatile with a high impact news with the red folder. There's not too much news events happening on Friday. So the main day this week seems like it's gonna be like Thursday and like Wednesday are two big days of the market. So now look at charts. So look at GBP USD 4-hour chart. So as you can see, I've been doing a lot of analysis on my chart. So for this week coming up, what I do see, so we're kind of broke structure for GBP/USD. I do see us coming back down to potentially test down this area before we do some rejection back up. So I will be looking for sells this week. Because if we break down here, we're gonna like get down to this level. Because this used to be a previous zone that we like broke down. And then also when we came up to test it, we broke down and started to shoot back up. So we're in an interesting area. That's why I see us breaking this zone. We break this zone, we'll come back down here. Let's go to GBP, JPY for our chart. Looking for sells. So right now, I'm looking for sell to see the market continuation back down to the zone. Right now, since last week, we started coming back down. So I feel like it's gonna be a continuation back down to the zone. But if we decide to come up and break this red trend line, then we're gonna shoot back up. But I don't see us going up. I feel like we're gonna like come back down and hit the zone. But you gotta play air. Right now, Thursday, it's gonna be very high impact news events. So Thursday is gonna be a lot of volatility. It's gonna push the market a certain direction. We could be consolidating Sunday and Monday a little bit, but later on in the week it should pick up. As for gold has been dropping. I do see gold still coming back down. We might play around a little bit, but I do see us coming back down to the zone to hit the 1726 area. And depending what happens, if it creates support, you might shoot back up. or if we don't, we're gonna shoot back down. So just be on the lookout for that for gold. And US dirty. So the Dow has been dropping. We broke through the zone, and it looked like we be a continuation downwards to the next zone. Our next zone is down here. So we can literally play around this week, but I do see us coming back down to the zone. But if we do play around, shoot up, and break above the zone, then we're gonna come back down and shoot back up. So it has to like break above this zone for us to decide to go back up with the structure. But right now, it seems we're bearish. It seems like we'll come back down still. USD JPY is kind of nasty. This past few weeks, it's just been like consolidating. It pushed down, now trying to push back up. So I do see the market slightly might retrace down, but might come back up to hit the zone. It might not be a clean breakaway to the zone. We could literally just be like consolidating till we get to that zone. AUD USD, we've been dropping down lately. So I'm focusing on sales overall for this week. We literally could like reject back up a little bit, but I do see us coming back down here to test the zone area. This was a previous support, so we might come down to this area. And also GBP CAD. As you can see, this pair has been pretty much, you can say, consolidating, going up and down. But we broke structure and started coming down. Now we're shooting back up. I do see us coming back down. And if we create support, we will shoot back up to test the zone before we come back down. So it seems like market is struggling to break this area. Every time it comes in this zone area, it drops. But if we come up and break over here, then we're gonna shoot up. But right now it's looking like we're gonna come back down and play around and shoot down. But there is news for the Canadian dollar, so we'll see how the news affects the market. And then for all my Bitcoin traders, so right now I do see Bitcoin coming down. We catch some sells, you should be straight. We should come back down, retest the zone. If we break the zone, we're gonna come back down. So that's pretty much it. Definitely be cautious for the news events. Remember, Monday is gonna be slow. Sunday is probably gonna be slow. Monday, the Canadian pair, like GBP CAD, any with the CAD, it's gonna be like very volatile throughout the day. So just be careful because there's a federal election that's gonna affect the market. AUD, during Asian session, is gonna be affected with some news that's gonna help with the direction of the pair. It'll help bring volatility to the direction where it wants to go in the market. Then you got Tuesday, not too much crazy events, a lot of low pack news events. And again, Wednesday and Thursday are the big days this week. So definitely trade what you see, know what you think, and you should be all right. Let me know if you have any questions. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. We out here. Peace.